got a new dog today.
I'm gonna show my friends about teacher I got a new dog.
And you scared of it?
We got a new dog tonight.
I don't know, but
Our dad brought it.
So if you get any dog, you're gonna be the same way.
Yeah.
And then that time I think
Oh, dog run me out my own damn
Dude,
Daddy.
he likes me.
That's pretty
Because-
dog. That's a pretty dog.
And
I know, right?
He looked like
His name is Kirby. I called him that.
he's gonna be like a girl.
But should we call him Curbston?
You're a boy dog.
Kirby. Kirby is a boy. Look at him. Oh no! Come back! Please, no!
You gonna stay with you?
I want
I
him
gotta
to
clean the
stay
room
with
out.
you. Well, I should have to stop sneezing. Never mind. Come on. Say hi to the camera. No, no, no! Say hi to
Now, if I leave, you gonna follow me. Follow you.
If he had his eyes closed.
Walk with me.
Come on. Let's go. Come on. So, he did it. Oh. Come on. He don't want to come down with me. No! Coming up. Come on. Yeah. That's friendly. Hey, hello. Love you. He gon' feed you. He gon' keep you clean. What about
He's following you, Daddy.
Bye bye. That is our dog.